Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is the new year, it is 2019, and today we're gonna do our very first unboxing of the year, and that is with the Lookfantasticbox. Okay, so I'm just gonna be honest straight up. I don't expect a lot from not just particularly this box this month, but all January boxes. Why? January, even though it's my birthday month, it is also the month of like fitness and I guess New Year's resolutions that people never really keep, but okay. And everybody is into this whole you need to get fit stuff, and companies are into it, like the entire government is into it. They're like January apps, you know, for I don't know what purpose to get to, I don't know what fit goal, and I don't know, the whole being fit, being healthy, look at me, I'm doing so amazing, it's kind of up to here with me. But anyway, I'm just gonna assume, because it's pretty much every year like that, that all of these January boxes are gonna have to do everything with health and beauty, and there's not gonna be a lot of makeup in here. I don't know, I just have a feeling that there isn't. So let's just open the box up. I'm just gonna be honest and say I have no expectations. Actually, I have zero expectations from this particular box. So it says Resfeber, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. Like, it doesn't also say, usually it says how to pronounce this, but this doesn't. The tangled feelings of fear and excitement before a journey begins. Very good for January, like start of a new year. That is great. Okay, in here we have the booklet, and then we have the Elle magazine that y'all know I never use. Okay, so it is blue. I will say, it's like January, my birthday month, and the box is blue. Blue is my favorite color, so that's really cool. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, the box smells really, really good. Okay, so hopefully you guys are able to see that, but this is the inside of this one's box. Okay, I want to know if the Look Fantastic Happy New Year Ellie Beauty Editor. Okay, well, Ellie, could you please edit in the prices of the items, because I'm getting sick and tired of there not being prices. I'm just gonna check because it's New Year. Maybe they have new prices. Nope. What is this? Scan? Oh, this is new. Scan to shop this article. So you could scan this, I'm just gonna assume with your phone, and you can buy this article. The hell? No, wait, what? Yeah, article, I said it right. Scan to shop this article. Oh, right, there are multiple things here. Blonde. Anyway, the thing is, I don't want to scan. I don't want to go through this trouble when I'm paying you that money for this particular box. It's just 20 bucks. I know it's just 20 bucks, but how hard it is to slap a price in here. I don't know. I just don't understand. Okay, so the booklet is going to be useless to us. Okay, moving on to the box. And I see two things. God damn it. Okay, let's start with this. I'm not going to use this. I never used the other one either. It's going to go. This is Dr. Pawpaw, the original balm, the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, skin, hair, beauty finishing, and cuticles. It is fragrance-free, it's cruelty-free, and vegan. Okay, so this is what that fella looks like, and I'm not going to use it because this does zero for me, and I have had this. This is probably the third or the fourth one that I own. So you'll see this in a giveaway. I am so done with the pop-up thing. And then the next one that I see in here that I also have already received in the past is from Bella Pierre. It's the banana setting powder. And it was not the best setting powder, and therefore you guys will see this in a giveaway as well. Okay, so this is what that fella looks like. It's a banana powder, as you can see. But yeah. Those two are already like wah wah wah. Okay, moving on to a sheet. Marine gold dust. Ooh, that always sounds good. Sheet mask made with real gold dust. Marine collagen, what? Okay, it's plumping. A luxurious moisturizing Korean face mask with gold dust and marine collagen to plump your skin. Okay, it's a sheet mask. Really cool. And it looks like this. And as y'all know, I love masks. I do prefer, however, not a sheet mask. I'm not really a big fan of sheet masks because they always slide off of my face. And I don't know, the whole eye, nose, mouth thing. I have a weird shaped face, I guess. I don't know, but it just doesn't really work out. When I put it like where the eye area is supposed to be, then usually the nose, mouth, like the upper lip situation isn't gonna work. Probably because I have very thick lips and it's, you know, it's gotta be a big hole. Wow, oh my God, where am I going with this? But I wanna finish the sentence, but big hole where the mouth area, let's just move on. Let's move on to, there are 3 things in here. Let's move on to this. This is Swell, it's Swell. Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. For what? Your face? Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum smooths, adds gloss, and conceals split ends. Oh, it's for hair. Giving state-of-the-art heat protection and the ultimate professional finish. For Swell hair, do this. After towel drying hair and using Swell's root complex, apply 1 to 4 pumps of serum. Well, I'm not going to be able to pump this. To mid-lengths and ends, depending on hair length and density. Work the product through the hair for even distribution. Wow. Okay, good start to the new year. Seems like nothing's going to change here. Anyway, then blow dry or style as required, and then a tip for ultra dry or damaged hair, repeat above. Do not overload hair with product. Okay, so this is what that fellow looks like. I am, however, always a little bit cautious of putting creams and serums in my hair, which is really funny because I don't mind putting oils in my hair. But with these kind of things, they always say that the hair is going to feel light and nothing's going to be left on the hair and blah, blah, blah. But I already have problems with really greasy hair. Like, I washed my hair 2 days ago and this is how freaking greasy it already is. But when I put this kind of a product in here, it's always going to get even more greasy. And when people say, no, that's not going to happen. Yes, it does. I notice a difference. So I'm going to try. But if this is going to make my hair really greasy, then it's going to go. And for all the people saying, well, you're putting it in your hair wrong. You're not supposed to put it up here. I know. Okay. I know. I'm not putting oil in here. Okay. I'm putting oil just on the outer parts of the hair, just for, you know, split ends and such. I notice a difference when I put oil in my hair. My hair is softer and there's definitely less damage, but it still gets greasy. It's with my hair, it's not just here. It goes, it slides down, okay? So we're just gonna have to give this a fair shot. Moving on to something else in a tube, in a really small tube. This is Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, okay? Safe for sensitive skin. Okay, sounds good, it's a moisturizer. Let's see, directions. Apply evenly over clean face. Follow with makeup or wear alone for a natural look. Really small, doesn't really say a lot. It does say that it's safe for sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna have to give this little teeny tiny fella a try. There we go. And now we're left with one more thing, if I'm not mistaken. Am I mistaken? Nope, I'm not mistaken. Oh my goodness. I'm not mistaken. So, box is empty. We're gonna put it over there. There we go. Okay, so we have this Pop Band London. I have no idea what this is. So, hold on, let me just get it out of the package. I feel like, you know, that's a good thing to do. There we go. Oh, this is elasticy. Wow. Okay. Wow. What does it say? Feel, be, look fantastic. What the hell is this? I have no idea. Designed in London, pop bands are soft, stretchy, no dent hair ties. Oh, okay. I'm too old for this. I literally had I thought they were bracelets. Seriously, I feel old, okay? I'm sure that all of the girls who are watching who are way younger than me are like, oh, of course, it's a hair tie, you idiot. But I'm old, I'm a granny, I don't know, okay? Let's see, hair ties that hold up tight and still leave it fresh and kink-free. That's hard to believe. When you take it down. I'm gonna try this out and see if this actually is kink-free. This might not be just, you know, this band thing, but my hair, like if I do this too long, there will be a kink. Like my hair absorbs the freaking kink, okay? When I have a ponytail up, even if it's just for 5 minutes, I'm done. I'm gonna have like it over here. And even when I put it up in the house, like if I straighten it, I cannot for the love of me put my hair up because I will have a kink and I have to straighten it again, and I don't like to do that. When I get out of the shower, I like to either curl or straighten it and just leave it like that for when I shower again. So, okay, this is cool. And we got 4. Wow. Okay, this is really cool. So we got this one, which is like I don't know if the camera's going to show this, by the way, but it's a really light blue one. Then we have like this color blue in here, which is just amazing. Wow, it's bright on the camera. It's like darker in real life. Then we have just a simple white one, not really a lot to see here, it's just white. And then we also have like a silver one, which is just amazing if I'm wearing like something silver. Really excited to give these puppies a try, and I actually like this. I think this is like the best product in, well, no, mask. I'm hooked on masks. But this is amazing. This is like an extra product and I love it. It's something new, something that we don't really get in these boxes. So I am very surprised and pleased with this. Okay, I've been yapping for 13 minutes. We need to shut this off. Okay, so this month's box, and wow, I was right. There's like no makeup in here. Oh, no, wait, there is the powder, but I mean, it's powder. Yeah, I was right. Like this all definitely applies to the whole being fit, like feeling beautiful, being healthy kind of a thing this month, because like clearly a mask, you know, cleans your skin. The balm for, I don't know, if you hurt yourself, if you hurt your poor little soul while working out for 5 minutes. And Swell for your hair, clearly, like goodness for your hair. A moisturizer for your face. The only actual makeup product is the banana powder, but again, it's powder, so it kind of adds to it. And I mean, if you're working out, you're gonna need like these little stretchy things, right? So yeah, I was completely right about this box. Is this the best box ever? Hell to the no. This, like these stretchy thingies, saved the day for me because this box I am not pleased with. I'm just gonna be honest. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about this particular box, and what and how do you guys feel about this whole January trend where everybody needs to be fit and just great? And I mean, I'm sitting my fat ass down with a burger, with a pizza, and I'm cool with it. I mean, seriously. Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!